Their actions in handcuffing the amputee to his bed after amputation under police guard was oppressive and cruel. Their imposition of charges of shooting with intent and wounding with intent, the continued prosecution of said charges in the face of negative swab results was arbitrary and high-handed. The failure to take the claimant to court within a reasonable time to be considered for bail was unconstitutional and callous. Their actions, taken as a whole, might be considered to be outrageous in the extreme. 14 years after the nightmare began, RC won the lawsuit and he got exemplary damages. The total award was about 3.2 million Jamaican dollars, with 1 million in exemplary damages.
Stop the presses!
When the government saw the money court order, them said, no man, this is too much.
No.
They appealed against the exemplary damages amount. They said that 1 million was too high. Now let that sink in.